इनकलाब जिंदाबाद अगेन इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इनकलाब जिंदाबाद अगेन इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। आई डोंट नो why, but today my internal voice is saying let's start this video with this slogan इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, because this gives another level of extreme level of energy. And today I will not promote my YouTube channel. I will not say to like this vlog, and just I will say wake up guys, wake up. This is time for revolution. And this is my 11th day of 30 day challenge to upload single video on YouTube daily. And guys, what yesterday happened on 20th July in Delhi Jantar Mantar, that is completely shameful. Yesterday I was watching multiple videos I watched, and when I was watching, then tears were rolling down from my eye, because many students fainted down on the roads, and many students heads smashed by Delhi police lathi charge, and many girls who were taking part in that protest, their clothes torn by Delhi police. What is this? They were just raising voice for education system, and they were just asking for accountability, because they were a student, and I am also a student. I am also insecure about my future because of too much leakings of exam. And what they got, this brutality, this cruelty, shameful, disgusting. That was completely shameful, because they were just student, and they were just raising voice for their better future, for better education system, and they were just asking for accountability. That's it. I'm also a student. I'm also insecure about my future, and what they got, lathis, insult, humiliation. Wow. And I will salute 100 times. I will salute those students who took part in that protest, because I can just support through social media. I couldn't reach there. And now it's time for morning breakfast also. I came this side for morning walk, so I thought let's do some talk on this and support you guys through social media. And now I'm going to my hostel, because I have to return back for attending my classes by taking shower. Okay, so let's meet you later. So guys, finally I'm ready, and today I didn't take breakfast because already I got it late. So come with me, let's go to department. Lift gone down already, that's why I'm going by stairs. Let's take my Ferrari, I mean cycle. Now I came to my department. Let's meet you after finishing my class on 12:30. Okay, before then I have to attend 3 classes. Now it's 12:30 and our forenoon class is over, and I'm going to mess to have lunch. This is our routine in Pondicherry University. Just attend class and have lunch, then go to library, and if you want to enjoy, then go outside, have chai, etc. And this is common life in Pondicherry University. Okay, so come with me, let's meet you in mess. Now I came to around mess, so let's go inside. And now I'm standing in the queue,
and I have long relationship with queue. During Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya time, I used to stand in queue, and this is my lunch: papad, rice, sambar, and here other students are having their food. Okay, so let's have my food and see you later.
So friends, now I came in my room by having lunch, and now I will do some rest. Along with that, I will also edit my video. Okay, so in afternoon session on 2:30, I will have to attend one more class, that is softcore, and let's meet you then when I will go to attend that class. Okay guys, now it's 2:25 and I'm going as a campus again to attend my softcore class. Okay, so let's meet you there, and lift is coming up. This is my cycle, let's take it. Now I came to SA campus. Guys, our afternoon softcore class finished, and now after finishing my afternoon softcore class, I'm going to hostel. And you know friends, this time I chosen Sanskrit as a elective subject. And last time I studied Sanskrit when I was in 5th class, means when I was in 5th class, and then I studied, and after that now I am studying. But here they are teaching another way, they are teaching Sanskrit as a English. And today I attended class first time, and everything gone over the head, I didn't get anything. Anyways, I will manage that slowly, and by talking and by interacting with you, I came to my hostel. This is my hostel, Birsa Munda. So guys, finally I reached to my room, and now I just need to freshen up a bit, and later let's go library. Okay, so guys, come, let's go to study hall. Wait, let me show you view of outside that I observe every day from my room. Let's show you. Guys, look, this is view of outside, and every day I observe evening, morning, night from my room. Isn't it nice?
Guys, now I'm going inside the study hall, and you can see this side PG students are studying, and this side for PhD scholars. Have a look, and so let's go inside, and by putting bag I will go outside.
Guys, now I came to gate number 1, and this is gate number 1. Actually, I needed one notebook, so I purchased from Quick Pick, and now I'm going back because I need to make notes. That's why I purchased one notebook, and now I'm going back to my library, means reading room, to study.
So guys, now I came inside the study hall, and you can see students are studying here. So let's meet you later. Guys, now I came out from my library, and I'm going to hostel because it's been time for dinner. And you know guys, nowadays I'm not getting content what to record. Actually, not about content, we are not getting time because I have to go to class, and afternoon session also I have to attend. And this Pondicherry University usually looks very beautiful at night time. One day I will cover whole.
Now I come to my room, and it's been time for dinner also. Now it's 8:45, and usually in Pondicherry University the dinner starts from 7:30 to 9:30. Okay, so now I have to go. So come with me, let's go for dinner.
Guys, finally I had my dinner, and now I'm going to attend protest because in favor of a student against corrupt system in our university. Protest is going on, and at least I couldn't join in Jantar Mantar, so I thought let's join here.
You cannot ask them to put accountability to the government and the minister. The people, students are literally like thousands of.
Good evening, everyone. Accountability to that commission. So that is the kind of it is nothing but an after shame. Except firstly, it is so easy to tell. I am neutral. I am not supporting anyone. But it is
finally I came to my room by having dinner, and I'm going to finish my vlog here because first I will have to edit this vlog, and then later have to upload it by today, otherwise my 30-day challenge will break, and I don't want to break this challenge anymore. Okay, so have fun and enjoy. Let's finish it here, and let's meet you in another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, take care. Inqilab Zindabad.